Hi everyone, today I'm going to be filming an Easter basket. I've seen some videos for what's in my kids' Easter basket, so I'm going to be kind of doing that. This is great if you're looking for some inspiration for how to make a basket or what to put together. And the items that I'm using are all from Poundland, so that's an additional bonus. So I hope that you enjoy watching. We're going to start off with some shredded paper. God, excuse me, this isn't for you. So this isn't what I had in mind for an Easter basket. Just added the LED egg lights around the basket, and now the basket is complete. But if you want to sort of make it into a hamper, then we're going to be using some cellophane to do that. So what you want to do is place your basket in the center of the cellophane, so you've got equal parts on one side and then at the back as well. All you then do is bring the cellophane from the back and from the front and then just stick it down. I've just taken some thick twine and wrapped it around the top of the cellophane. For the final touch, I'm taking these two yellow bunnies, and they are made out of felt and have a sticky back. Here is the finished Easter basket hamper. I really do like the way that it came out, and if I was a child I would be so happy to receive this. I hope that you've enjoyed this DIY. If you have, please do give me a thumbs up, I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do stick around and hit that subscribe button. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, I really do love hearing from you. Don't forget that you can display this two ways. You can have it without the cellophane so that it's just a basket, or you can add the cellophane and make it into a hamper. I personally just wanted to add the cellophane because it just holds everything together really nicely and brings it together, and it looks like a finished piece. I brought my cellophane from Poundland, as I mentioned previously, so it is really cheap, and I'm sure that you guys can also find some cellophane in your dollar stores. What's that? Really nice tree. Come on. Oh my god. You can't snatch it. That's not the plan. The plan is to get you out of there. Ugh, you're spitting everywhere.